Hey, and welcome to the GlobalAir.com Aircraft for Sale section. My name is Chase, and I'll be showing you how to navigate all of these features. As you can see, we host many different kinds of aircraft at GlobalAir.com, ranging from private jets to helicopters to piston and turboprop aircraft. The Aircraft for Sale section allows users to search for each of these specific types of aircraft, as well as by make, model, location, and more. Scroll down the main Aircraft for Sale page to find the most viewed aircraft and the newest aircraft, as well as links to the most popular searches. For example, one of the more popular private jet searches is the Gulfstream G550. When I click on this link, every G550 listed on GlobalAir.com populates on the screen. Returning to the Aircraft for Sale page, there is also a list of the more frequently asked questions regarding aircraft for sale. If you wanted to sell your plane at GlobalAir.com, there's a link at the top of the page under our Quick Links tab titled Sell Your Plane. GlobalAir.com offers very affordable options for ads. For ads that are managed by the GlobalAir.com staff, the prices are $283 a day for jet and turbine ads and $150 a day for piston ads. For ads that are managed on your own, the prices range from $250 a day to 84 cents a day. In addition to the Sell Your Plane link, the Quick Links also contains links that helps you search for aircraft by location and by seller. For example, when I click on the Planes by Location link, a map of the world populates. If I click on the United States and then click on Ohio, all aircraft that are located in Ohio populate at the bottom of the screen. The Quick Links also include the A-Buyer Researcher link, explaining how our A-Buyer Researcher tool works. The A-Buyer Researcher tool works by allowing you to set up custom alerts on specific aircraft as soon as they hit the market. Finally, the Aircraft for Lease and Aircraft Wanted tabs allow users to see all wanted and lease ads listed on GlobalAir.com. They even allow you to list your own Aircraft for Lease or Aircraft Wanted ad on GlobalAir.com. Thanks for checking out this video, and happy flying!